Alright, today we're gonna make some chicharrones with beans. We got our regular chicharrones here, if you guys can see that. We're gonna have to make the beans a little bit soggy because these are canned beans. Yes, they're canned beans. So, move these in here, lower it down. Two sets of these. These on the side, start breaking them down. Get a breaking down tool. Okay, get them all. We need to get them all soggy. Let them water it, but because they're dry out of the can, they're completely dry. So, 3 ways we're going to do this. Pray to baby Jesus! Alright. There it goes. Let's go ahead and number 1. We're going to add, not olive oil, but you got to do a little bit oil at least, you know. A little bit of oil. Mix it up because they're refried. Remember, refried beans. The cans, I think they just crushed them up. I don't know if they even cook. They cook them and they just crush them and put them in a can. All right. Now we start throwing in our. Go over there. I don't want thugs here. Start throwing in our chicharrones. Good. Integrate it. We're going to take a lot of the moisture. I went to fat milk. Just a little bit. There you go. Now we're talking. Let's get that color change. Integrate it. Oops. Salt. A little bit of pepper. And that's all she wrote. Alright, so this start boiling, that's ready. So make sure they're nice and soft now. They're all mushy in there with it, integrated with the beans. That's what, except for one piece, but it's okay. You can't beat them all. Get that nice flavor going. Taste test. That's good. Okay, we're getting that ready. Still heating up. Tacos. We're gonna make some taquitos and burritos. So we're gonna make comal, taquitos, burritos. Prepare some taquitos. Put them in here. Gather some chicharron with beans. Make sure you put, like I said, salt on it. You got your cheese, your queso fresco. Do we have any? Ooh, we gotta check if we have it fresco. We do have some queso fresco, a little chilito. Makes it super good. So, very simple, easy to make. So we're gonna make a burrito too out of it. Very simple. Pamper, twist, and try to fit everything in there. If you can't, close the other end. Let's try this big burrito here with frijoles, chicharrón. All right, frijoles, chicharrón, queso fresco, and of course chile. Homemade with the chicharrones. Simple meal. Hope you guys enjoy your meals.